I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here,
All right, hey, what's going on? This is Dan Keller again in part 2 of our Perfect Mortgage Approval series. So I want to talk today about how to properly submit your financial documents, specifically bank statements, okay? So when you're submitting bank statements, traditionally you would get a bank statement in the mail. That bank statement would have 3 or 4 pages or more, and each page would be numbered 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, etc. So if you're submitting bank statements that are mailed to you, we need to make sure we have all pages front and back. That's the first thing that I wanted to address. The second, with technology emerging today and everybody going paperless, home buyers are wanting to submit online bank statements. Online bank statements are fine if we have a full bank statement to reference those online statements to. Just submitting online statements is not going to work, because if you go in and print off an online statement, you're going to see that your name, the account number, and most likely the date it was printed will not be disclosed for privacy and confidentiality reasons. So we do need to attach those bank statements to the person on the loan application. Thus, we need the date, the name, your name, the address, and the account statement activity, okay? So when you're printing out online statements, make sure they may be archived for the previous months. Those are fine as long as you can see that they look like statements that would be sent to you in the mail, having your name, date, and account number on that. The next thing I want to talk to you about real quickly on those bank statements, if there are any NSF charges or if there are any large deposits, we need to make sure we address those. So NSF charges for the year, normally there's a year-to-date NSF charge, or if there were any NSF charges in the last 60 days, we just need to address those and explain to the underwriter what happened or what caused those. Large deposits. Now, if there are any large deposits, and large deposits are typically defined as any deposits that exceed natural payroll deposits. So, for example, if you loaned your brother some money 3 months ago and he just repaid you last week and he wrote you a $300 check, we just need to show that a $300 check was deposited and briefly explain what the $300 is from. Now, most loan programs allow gifts. If you received a gift for your down payment, you're going to need to talk to me about completing a gift letter and properly documenting that gift, and that's a whole nother video. But if you are receiving a gift, please contact me as soon as you can so I can get you the proper the information you need to document that. The last thing I want to talk about is down payment. So when it comes time to close, you are going to submit, up front you're going to submit an earnest money check. That earnest money check is typically cleared within 24 to 48 hours of your transaction being accepted by the seller. We need proof that that earnest money check has cleared your account, so you're going to log into your account and print off that cleared check, because when escrow reconciles and our funding department reconciles the total money due at closing, if a down payment is required, they're going to subtract that earnest money from the funds due at closing, and we need to show that that money has been cleared in order to get a proper idea of what is exactly due at closing. Now, when our funding department and escrow notify you of the amount due at closing, that money is typically sent to escrow in the form of a wire, or it's sent in the form of a cashier's check. Depending on your bank, you may want to check with your bank to see if they charge money to wire, but if it's a cashier's check, we want that cashier's check made out and turned into escrow 3 to 4 days before closing so it has time to clear. All right? If you have any questions regarding submitting your financials, down payment, or earnest money, please let us know. And like I said, if you are receiving a gift for your down payment, let us know as soon as you can so we can get you the information that you need to properly document that gift, okay? We're looking forward to serving you. Any questions, let us know. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.